explorer. Guess who loves Christmas? Hola, soy Dora. Feliz Navidad. I love Christmas. To celebrate, we're putting on a Christmas play at the Rainforest Theater. Will you help me find mis amigos so we can start the show? Fantastico! Is that one of our friends behind the igloo? Guess who? It's Boots the reindeer! Mira, look at all the pretty Christmas trees up here on the stage. I think I see a friend hiding behind one of the trees. Guess who? It's Benny the Snowman! Backstage, everyone is getting ready for the show, but we still need to find more friends for our play. Do you see anyone behind those presents? Guess who? Look at the gingerbread house we built for the show. I hear someone in the house. It sounds like he's right behind the door. Guess who? It's Diego, the Gingerbread Man. It's almost time to start the play, but there's one more very special guest hiding just behind the curtain. He loves Christmas most of all. Guess who? It's Santa Claus as himself.
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and share. And follow me on Instagram and Twitter. And for more Dora the Explorer stories, check out my Dora the Explorer playlist. And for more Christmas stories, check out my Christmas playlist. And if you enjoyed this story, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Thank you so much, and we'll see you all in the next video.